Hello everyone, welcome you all in my new video of GATE 2022 Geophysics Solution series. So this is the problem related to Gauss divergence theorem. So the problem is for a given vector A and V is the volume of enclosed by the surface S. So the statement, that is mathematical statement of Gauss divergence theorem, is given by divergence of vector A integrated over volume V, which is equals to del dot ds, that is surface integral of that vector. So this is the mathematical expression of Gauss divergence theorem. Now in the problem, if vector A is grad psi plus curl phi, then vector A which is equals to grad psi plus curl phi, then the application of Gauss divergence theorem to vector A is, so we have to find the correct option. So यहाँ पे given है गॉस डाइवर्जेंस थ्योरम का मैथमेटिकल एक्सप्रेशन एंड वेक्टर ए की वैल्यू. सो यहाँ पे हम वेक्टर ए की वैल्यू को इस वॉल्यूम इंटीग्रेशन यानी कि लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में पुट करेंगे. सो यहाँ पे आएगा डाइवर्जेंस ऑफ वेक्टर ए. सो वेक्टर ए की वैल्यू है ग्रैड साई ग्रैड 5 प्लस कर्ल साई. सो दिस इज योर फाई एंड दिस इज योर साई. नेक्स्ट अब हम ग्रैड को ऑपरेट करेंगे एज अ डिस्ट्रीब्यूटिव प्रॉपर्टी अप्लाई करके. सो दैट विल गिव divergence of grad psi plus divergence of curl psi. Now we will find the value of divergence of curl of psi. So first we will find curl of psi, that will give I cap del psi 3 by del y minus del psi 2 by del z plus j cap del psi 1 by del z minus del psi 3 by del x plus k cap del psi 2 by del x minus del psi 1 by del y. So now we will apply the divergence on that del cross psi, which will give divergence of del cross psi, which is equals to del by del x in bracket plus del y in bracket this term and del by del z in bracket this term, and after expanding the term we will get del 2 psi 3 by del x del y minus del 2 psi 2 by del x del z and del psi 1 by del y del z minus del 2 x3 by del y del x plus del psi 2 by del z del x minus del psi 1 by del z del y. So for exact differentiation, this term, that is del 2 over del x del y, which is equals to del 2 over del y del x, which is equal. So that will cancel the term, this term and this term. Next, similarly, del 2 over del x del z will cancel del 2 over del z del x, and the last term del 2 over del y del z and del 2 over del z del y. So all term is cancel out, so we will get del dot curl of psi, which is equals to 0. Now we put this value in the expression, so we will get only this first term. So we will get only first term, so we will have this term and the expression is this term. So in next step, for a vector A, so this is your vector A that will convert into surface integral, which means A dot ds. Similarly, if we consider gradient of psi as a vector, so we will get the term del dot psi, which means gradient of psi, which is integrate over surface integral, and this term will give del square psi. So this is your del dot del psi, which is nothing but del square psi. So we will get the value which is equals to del square psi dv, which is equals to gradient of psi dot ds, which means your option first will be the correct answer. I hope you like my video, so please subscribe my channel and share it with your friends. Thank you so much.